Hey everybody, Danny Wynn, the actor here. Welcome to what is the beginning of a new series under my YouTube page. It's going to be called the Nomad Actor Series. I'm sitting in a camper I bought during COVID, and when I was traveling back and forth to Montana doing the series Into the Wild Frontier, um, as many of you know, my dog always travels with me. She was also on an episode in that series. But because she always traveled with me, I wanted a little bit more room to go back in the middle of nowhere, go fly fishing when I wasn't filming. So I picked up this camper at a smoking deal. I was told it was worth about 10 grand. It's a used 99 Lance trailer that slides into the back of a truck. I like old things. Um, but anyhow, it was in wonderful condition except for a few items. But I picked it up for $2,500 and took it back and forth to Montana. And then for family reasons, I stopped working for a few years and I was to take care of my mother. And unfortunately, she passed a few years back, and then we had the union strikes for actors, and then that ended, and I got back on a series here near where I live in the mountains near Albuquerque and Santa Fe for Netflix. Finished that up, and now I find myself with some itchy feet and wanting to get out on the road again, maybe do some camping. But before I do that, I want to do some changes to the camper. We've spent time in here quite a bit, and I just want to tweak some things and change some things. One of the things you'll see behind me is these turbo blinds and these balances, which I guess are cool, but I think they kind of close in the area. So I'm going to be removing these throughout the trailer, and I'll do a walkthrough later on. This is just a beginning video to tell you a little bit. And then I'll be putting up, those foldable thermal shades that go up and down. I've got one here, so when I install that, which may be today, I'll take a video of that and edit it into this. One other thing I'm going to start with is I need to pull out the little stove. It's got a great heater, but for some reason I think something's obstructing the fan. So I want to get that fixed, especially with winter coming if I'm going to go travel to warm, not so warm, very cold places like Montana. Because the plan, I think, what I'd like to do, I have two homes here in New Mexico on the 5 acres at what I call the ranchito, but I think I might just like to travel around. I can do auditions from the trailer, and production will pay for gas. So maybe just hit the road a little bit, get away for a while. I've carried a lot of responsibilities and wasn't able to travel too much, again, for family reasons. So I just kind of feel like it's time to get up and go. So that's what I'm going to start today. And then anyhow, for the heater, I've got to pull out the oven and stove combination. So I'll take a picture of that here in a little bit without my lovely face in front of the camera. And that'll be part of this beginning video. And then I'll walk you through the camper on another video and show you other changes I'm going to make. I'm going to change the sink and some other cabinetry, maybe raise the counter. I love to cook, so put in more counter space. But I think it'll be a fun series to watch. And then, of course, when I'm finished with that, then the series will follow up on me and my acting travels, which I think will be fun. So that when I'm going to a different state, we can post videos, Straya, my dog, and I, of the drive there, and then the sights we'll see in the area. So I hope you will follow. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and follow the adventures of the small remodel on the camper. We're going to make it fully self-contained, add some solar to it, so we never have to hook up anywhere, and it'll just be fun. So follow us on that trip, and always follow my acting. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. Ciao, bella.